Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the world of conditional routes in Next.js. Whether you are building dynamic web application or want to control access to certain pages based on your user role or condition, this is the perfect topic for you. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to implement conditional routing in your Next.js project. So let's get started. So today we are talking about the one of the most important topic in Next.js tutorial, that is called conditional route. Let's understand what is conditional route, and after that we're doing a practical example of how to implement conditional route in Next.js. So here you can see that what we'll let understand what is conditional route in Next.js. So imagine you want to show some different content based on whether a user is logged in or not. You might want to display a dashboard for authenticated user, but show a login page for those who aren't. So conditional route allow us to achieve that while maintaining a completely separate code on the same URL. So let's understand by doing a example of creating a login parallel route in Next.js application. Let's move on to the Visual Studio Code. So here you can see that we can we can do a practical example of doing a conditional routing. For this, we can creating the login parallel route inside the complex dashboard. So let's create a new folder and login to it. And inside that we can create a new page.tsx of which the content will be shown on the browser. So here we can copy page content from the users and copy this to the page.tsx inside the login folder and change it to the function name with login slot over here. Login slot, and we can also change the text of this. So please login to continue. We can write this to continue and save this. Okay, and also this and register this to the layout.tsx in the complex dashboard. We make a comma and we can type a login and enter login and make it comma, and we can copy this notification and paste it another and rename it to the login slot which we have built. Okay, now we can create now we can take a variable to so that we can identify whether the user is logged in or not. So we can create a variable like constant is logged in is logged in is equal to and keep it as well default value as false and pass a condition to the return statement and return is logged in. If it is logged in, then the content like users, revenue and the notification slot content will display. Otherwise, if it is not logged in, then we can show all the login text which we have write in the page.tsx. So if the user is not logging, then this particular card will be logged in, will be seen on the browser showing please log in to continue. So let's move on to the layout.tsx. So already we have passing that particular condition, added that particular, and we have made the default value as is login for. Let's move on to the browser. We test it whether the conditional route which we have implemented is successfully implemented on the browser. So here you can see that we have a localhost 3000 complex dashboard working over there. Now we can see that we have already made it as false. So I just need to restart this because sometimes the change has not been shown. We need to restart the server. So we type it npm run dev and wait for the server to restart. And now you can see the server is getting started over there. Localhost 3000 we need to visit. We are already on the localhost 3000/complex dashboard. We are checking the condition inside the complex dashboard, and now it is ready for compiling the code which we have written. So here you can see that the condition is logged in. We are already given false. The y is taking at true. We have taken as true. Please log in to continue. Okay, login is false. Okay. We are taking login is false. That's why you are able to see that please log in to continue because the value is false. Now, if we pass this value to true, then what will happen? And change the value from false to true and check on the browser. So here you can see that your content like user analytics, revenue metrics and notification has been seen. So this is how we can test it our condition that if the user is logged in, because here you can see that is login true means that the user is logging and due to which you are able to see the content of the dashboard on your browser. But if we make it false? We make it false, and after that it will redirect it to the please login to continue or the login window on which you need to log in so that you can enter redirect to the application dashboard page. So this is how you can add the conditional route in Next.js application. I hope you easily understand that how the conditional routing is implemented in the Next.js application. So I hope you easily understand how the conditional route will be implemented in Next.js application to control access to page based on the specific condition like user role or authentication, etc. It is a powerful technique that can you make. You can take your Next.js application to the next level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you can never miss an update. Let me know in the comment below what you are building with conditional route. I will love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.